Do you ever feel like you just don't have the motivation to do anything? You know what you should do, but you just can't start. You scroll, you delay, and the day passes. This isn't laziness, it's your brain avoiding effort. Because your brain is addicted to easy dopamine, social media, short videos, instant pleasure, these things are slowly destroying your motivation. Because real progress feels hard, and your brain doesn't want hard. But here's the truth. Motivation doesn't come first. Action does. The moment you start, even for a few minutes, your brain begins to shift. So stop waiting to feel motivated. Start small and build momentum. Because discipline will take you where motivation never could.